Hello mga ka-Anli! Today, we received a package and we are so excited na buksan ito. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Tcharan! So, ito na yung package from Chef P. By the way, Chef P, thank you so much for sending this package. I really appreciate it. Maraming salamat po. I'll be giving you an honest review kung ano man yung nasa loob nito. And tara, let's check this out. We're cooking up something exciting for holiday season and we can't wait to share it with you. Thank you for your trust and support. Here's to making this bear season unforgettable, one delicious slice at a time. All love, Chef P. Thank you, Chef P. So we have here premium buko pie. This one. Titikman natin in a bit. And another one, premium buko pie din pero ube halaya ang flavor. So it's a different flavor. The other one is a classic buko pie and this one is ubi halaya buko pie. Yun! So, we will be doing our taste test. I-check natin kung ano yung masarap, kung masarap ba siya, kung ano yung comment natin. Let's see.
For only 850 pesos, you can have this premium gift box that I showed you. Their premium gift box has 2 buko pies. You may choose any flavor, plus a personalized letter inside that black gift box na sobrang ganda. Amazing, di ba? Pero kung single order naman, 380 pesos lang. Sulit! Here's your premium ube halaya buko pie. Excited na ako. Now, let's open the classic buko pie. By the way, I forgot to mention, sobrang linamnam ng amoy. In Tagalog, katakam-takam. Yun? I-cut na natin kasi excited na ako. Here's your generously baked classic buko pie. Our favorite Filipino custard pie.
Yun! So okay, nabuksan na natin siya. And itsura pa lang, I must say, check. Di ba? Okay na kaagad. Katakam-takam. And yung nakalagay dito na premium buko pie, panalo. Mukhang premium nga naman talaga. But when it comes to taste, titignan natin ngayon. I'm from Calamba, so alam na alam ko yung the best na buko pie. Usually galing yan sa Calamba. Pero right now, tignan natin itong recipe ni Chef P kung talagang the best buko pie talaga siya. So first one, itong classic buko pie nila. Yung buko niya guys, sobrang dami. Yung cream sa loob, super creamy. Hindi masyadong matamis. Yung mismong bread, no? Okay na okay siya, sok na sok siya. Panalo! And this one naman, yung ube nila, tingnan natin. Halos kaparehas din ng una. Sobrang sakto lang lahat. The bread, the cream, yung pinaka buko na nilagay. Yun nga lang, ang difference ng nito, ube siya. Ube flavor siya. Which is masarap. It's something different pag binili nyo siya. Kung mahilig kayo sa ube, this one is really meant for you. Yung bago na favorite guys. Tara, kain tayo.
Look test, packaging, check. Amoy, check. Lasa, check na check. Presyo, super worth it. Bye guys!